Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all doing great. In today's makeup tutorial I would like to show you how to create a smoky winged liner. This look is very versatile. It can be soft and elegant, but also perfect for a night out or a grungy look. For this look I've decided to do a blue liner, but it's absolutely up to you what color would you like to use. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below so you won't miss any of my videos. But now let's get into the tutorial. Eyeshadow wise, this look is gonna be very simple. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Shade+Light Eye Contour Quad in Smoke. It's an all matte palette, and the first shade I'm gonna be taking is the white highlight shade. And I'm just going to apply it all over my eyelid. Next I'm taking this cool tone brown and I'm just going to contour my crease with it. To do my wing, I'm going to use the Kat Von D ink liner in Baudelaire. I hope I pronounced it right. It's a beautiful dark navy blue color. It's a liquid eyeliner and it has a felt tip, so it makes the application much easier. I'm not going to go all the way to my inner corner. I'm going to start from the middle. Because I have small hooded eyes, I like to start my liner from the middle. This way it gives me more of a winged out cat eye look, instead of dragging my eyes down. For now I'm just drawing a slim line as close to my lash line as possible. Then I just look straight to the mirror and I just start to draw my wing. I'm just doing it very roughly because I just want to see how my line will going to look like with my eyes open. This is very important, especially for hooded eyes, because if I would do a line with my eyes closed, my liner would disappear when I open my eyes. Once I can see the edges, I just connect the lines together. I make a sharp wing to the end and filling in the rest of the line. I'm not going to be precise here, because I'm gonna smoke it out with an eyeshadow anyway. To smoke out my liner, I'm going to use this gorgeous blue color from the Jaclyn Hill palette called Twerk. And with a very small flat detailing brush, I'm just patting the color on. Then I start to blend out the edge of the eyeliner. And again, it's just up to you how smoky you want it to be. You can blend it out a lot or just a little, or even you can make the wing longer or shorter. You can definitely play around with this look. I'm taking a smaller brush and I'm going back with that cool tone brown shade, just to intensify my eye contour. I'm applying the same shade under my eyes as well. To highlight my inner corners and my brow bone, I'm taking the matte white color from the palette. Now I'm just going to apply some mascara and eyelashes, and for that I'm going to be using the Peekaboo lashes in the style Troublemaker. To contour under my cheekbones, I'm taking the Makeup Geek Cosmetics contour pen in Breakup. For blusher, I'm using the Morphe 9B blush palette. To highlight my cheekbones, I'm taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Glow Kit and the shade Forever Lit. This is like a white highlight with blue shimmers in it. I think it just complements this look a lot. I'm gonna highlight my nose and my inner corners as well. On my lips, I'm gonna be using the Morphe liquid lipstick in Vanity. It's a very cool toned nude lavender color. And this is it, guys, we reached the end of the tutorial. I really hope you liked it and found it helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!